We are going to now learn how to go between slope-intercept form, which you are very familiar with, which y equals mx plus b, to standard form, or standard form into slope-intercept form. Now, standard form is written as ax plus by is equal to c. And you know your slope-intercept form because we have used it all along, y equals mx plus b. So today we're going to go from standard form into slope-intercept form, and then we'll go the opposite direction. You need to be able to do this in order to graph equations to find the point of intersection. We've always done it in just the y equals mx plus b form, but now we are going to go back and forth between each form. All right, so example, and then I'll write the steps down the side. All right, the example is going to be 9x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, the first step is to isolate y. All right, so in order to isolate y, you have to move the x-coordinate to the right. So to move that x-coordinate over, I need to add its opposite. So now I'm going to have 3y equals negative 9x plus 12. Now y must be isolated. Y must be isolated. So for step 2, we divide all terms by the coefficient. In this case, the coefficient is 3. So divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. They cancel. We end up with y equals negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3x, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now we have gone from standard form into slope-intercept form. All right, one more example. If we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Step 1 is to isolate your y. So all we're doing is moving the 3x over to the other side. Now notice I didn't line these two up with each other because you're not going to be able to simplify that. I just tucked it off to the right a little bit. So now we have 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 7. Now you need to isolate the y, which means we're going to divide both sides by 2. All right, so y is equal to, we can't do anything with this, so we're going to leave it as negative 3 over 2x. That's your slope. Plus 7 over 2 also, leave it alone. Please do not put them into mixed numbers. Leave them improper, and that would be 7 over 2. So very simply, all we're going to do is move the x to the other side of the equation by adding its opposite, and then divide by whatever number is the coefficient in front of your y. Divide every term by that, and you are done. You now have it into slope-intercept form.